Hello, device doctor. Ready to explore the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? With its 200-megapixel camera and revolutionary features, it's set to redefine smartphones. Stay tuned.
Hey, are you still spending your money at repair shops? Join Device Doctor and learn how to fix your laptop and desktop yourself and enjoy the savings.
Design and display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces a fresh design with rounded edges and a titanium body. It boasts a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 1440 by 3080 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The LTPO 3.0 technology dynamically adjusts the refresh rate for optimal energy efficiency. Camera. The phone features a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x and 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It supports 8K video recording at 30 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS. Hardware and processor. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers enhanced performance for heavy tasks and improved energy efficiency. It also supports Wi-Fi 7 for faster connectivity. Battery and charging. The device is equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery and supports 45 watts fast charging. Samsung may also introduce faster wireless charging capabilities in the future. Software and new features. The Galaxy S25 Ultra runs on One UI 7 based on Android 15, offering new AI-driven features and an improved user interface. The new Bixby operating system utilizes advanced language models. Release date and price. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to launch in early 2025. Its price is anticipated to be higher than its predecessors. Conclusion. With its advanced features, the Galaxy S25 Ultra appears to be an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful and innovative smartphone experience.